Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, very exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, we are on the campaign for greatness. I don't know if you don't notice dancehall. I don't know if you don't notice, viewers and subscribers. Now recently, talk a make, about the reggae category on the Billboard chart and Vybz Kartel's Off Dance and Divas production, viewers and subscribers. When we're telling about crossover, when we talk about transcend, when we talk about the world market, viewers and subscribers, it has been long discussed. Maybe point this out too. I'm going to say it again. The dancehall category needs its own, it needs its own category and representation internationally. I'm tired of seeing dancehall artists, especially Vybz Kartel music, being put in the same category as reggae artists and their music and then being judged as such. You have to acknowledge, viewers and subscribers, that dancehall is separate from reggae. Now, when we talk about the crossover sound, the album, viewers and subscribers, that's peaked right now, currently, at 80 on the R&B Billboard charts, viewers and subscribers. Which artists you say I do this in this day and age? Vybz Kartel him do it with Tutanation. Release the album in that category and actually medal. Very few artists can even think this idea, much less to execute it. Now, viewers and subscribers, the artist has done this again. I'm gonna notice the naysayers like to celebrate. We say when they hear the news about what happened on the R and the reggae Billboard charts, maybe some people say, hey, and to point this out, it hasn't been verified. What has been verified is that the album is number 80 on the R&B Billboard charts, being released in the reggae category and crossing over to the. And this is what we talk about a worldwide hit. When these big names in world music drop tracks, it a trend right across the board. R&B, hip hop, you name the charts. So we know say an album is that credible, an album is that unique, an album is that good, just to speak it, viewers and subscribers, just to put it in simpler terms. Now, let's put this into perspective. A win, viewers and subscribers, see it? Now we're gonna put it, ever discuss it. A win for Gaza Nation is clearly a win for dancehall music. Yet, there are naysayers among the dancehall industry, stakeholders at that. We not just talk about some artists, them small fan base. We talk about industry players, stakeholders in the music industry. We time and time again fight Vybz Kartel and the music, viewers and subscribers. And they have some people who blindly follow them, not realizing that every time Vybz Kartel put out a hit single, a hit album, it shine the light on dancehall music and dancehall artists. Everybody featured on this album now, the whole world I pay attention to them. And I say, who them artists? And now they have gotten that exposure to the world. Viewers and subscribers must feel like Vybz Kartel's music should be supported even more. I'm not just talking about album sales. I'm talking about that acknowledgement. And we don't need it neither. As you can see, we don't need it. Even while the naysayers are talking, we have the numbers. We have the facts. Now, when we say support for the music, viewers and subscribers, but notice, even locally, the support for our culture, it's not there. People support overseas culture even more than we celebrate our own cultures. How much fine dining restaurant you know that the menu is strictly Jamaican. When you think about fine dining viewers and subscribers, and not that we are saying that the Michelin 5-star chefs are not schooled overseas in French cuisine and Italian cuisine. We know this. We are saying locally, right as upon our island, where our national dish, ackee and saltfish, even though the why for the ackee and salt, sea provision, even though the sea provision is imported. But the statement is, how come that is not classified as fine dining for us? I'm not talking about international crowd, I'm talking about for us. Because we not support it. We not see it as fine dining. When you talk about fine dining, you think about French cuisine and Italian cuisine because you have been told that. So because some people tell us, oh, the album not good. The album is not Grammy worthy. Some people start to believe. Now shine some light in the dark. You notice that the people them dark like cave and they must go on in the viewers and subscribers. In a dancehall music currently, Vybz Kartel in this day and age are bring the genre forward. While some other people content for us drive around and make claims to them around the place. You know, people like we talk about who for song your era play, who for song your era play. Vybz Kartel has ascended a level in a dancehall music right now where who for song play and who for song play is not something that we discuss. Because we have ears and we see the car them a pass and we hear the music we are play and we know say I thought them are talking a song. Because we know not one day in a past. So I talk for myself. Recently, since me listen music, not a day has passed in a year, at least. More than one car pass to play Vybz Kartel music. I'm not just exaggerate. I'm know majority of fans can say the same thing. I'm not talking about we are play the song in our vehicle. We're not talking about that. We are talking about other people are pass, go about them business, and I play the music. People from all walks of life. And that's the thing about Vybz Kartel music. People from all walks of life, from the rich to the poor, from the working to the seeking a job. We're not going to just say unemployed, we're going to say seeking a job. To the people who are independent entrepreneurs who have moved the country forward to as well. All fans of Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. For certain artists, you can look on them image, listen to their music, and you can see them fan base. And then right across the board. And everybody listen to them music. Vybz Kartel can say this. Because he's a creative. You have a catalog of hits. You might have, you even have people who say them are fans of Black Cartel. As if there are more than one cartel. But just to show you the catalog of hits, people are going to say, I think early 2000 catalog, you know, hey, favorite set of songs in that. You have some people going to say, yo, after straight jeans and fitted, the whole style and the whole vibe there, you know, and my song in that. You have some people that say, yo, all of Vybz Kartel songs are hits. I am of that crowd. Now, viewers and subscribers, talk to me in the comment section. I don't want to feel. You know what I mean? People that ask, some people that say, oh, you not drop that one there yet. You know, we know the streets. And it moves. You know what I mean? So you know there's something go. But viewers and subscribers, we there yes or no? And we are hold the discussion with you. Celebration. Definitely a celebration moment because of the accomplishment. The fact that you can release your album in the reggae genre. Or the reggae category. And have it transcend to the R&B genre and category. That's a major accomplishment, viewers and subscribers. That is a major accomplishment. Want to talk to me in the comment section? Talk to me in the comment section, Gaza Nation. And I remind you, continue to grab the album, continue to stream the album. You know what I mean? Continue to show your support for Caribbean culture. Dancehall and reggae are two of the biggest genres of music. Big up Zuka. You know what I mean? Big up Mento. Big up Scat. Big up Steel Drum them. Over so. You know what I mean? Big up the different and the diverse music we have in the diaspora. But let's celebrate what we have. What has given us international recognition. Because right now you have dancehall artists from every country in the Caribbean right now. Every single one of them. You might have not heard of them, but they might do their music. And a dancehall them them. And a one dancehall and a one reggae. Just like how you can have white reggae stars from Europe. But feel like you can have dancehall stars from anywhere in the world. As long as they pay homage and pay respects to the foundation And I feel like even international artists who fall in the genre pay more respect to the genre than even the people who grow here. And I guess that's because of them say, yo, you know what I mean? Some people that you're not used to it are, I don't know, but definitely something to think about too. Enough of these artists are not respectful of the music. And that's why they make certain statements without making certain contributions to the music. Vice to the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is the drop a like on the blog for my like for your ear. Share icon is also in close proximity viewers and subscribers. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. Yeah man, comment section open 24/7, never lock yet, just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. Yeah man, now move settings for me, I wanna need a ladder and mind sentiments for you and yours that wanna live, love and prosper until the reason again.